Hello and welcome to this video workshop series on digital video storytelling. I'm Michael Kinney. Thank you for taking the time to be here. This workshop is a series of 10 short videos covering the process of digital video storytelling. The content is based on my more than 20 years in professional broadcasting, working for both TVO and the CBC. I've worked as a writer, producer, director, host, narrator, videographer, and post-production editor on 12 different television series, including news, documentary, educational, children's, and drama. I currently run my own small media production company. I also run a YouTube channel where I post tutorials primarily focused on video creation software. Over the course of this video workshop, I'm going to share with you many of the digital video storytelling techniques I've developed and used to create engaging, informative, and entertaining video content for close to 3 decades. Video 1 of the series briefly describes key ideas that you need to consider before you start your project. Video 2 covers the all-important concept of video storytelling. In Video 3, we dive into techniques for researching your story, including conducting interviews. Video 4 shows you how to build your video story using a shooting script. Video 5 touches on a seldom talked about but vital phase of video production, pre-production planning. Video 6 looks at how to record good quality on-camera interviews. Video 7 shows you how to enhance your video story with B-roll and other visual elements. Video 8 shares techniques for writing and recording voiceover narration. Video 9 demystifies the process of video editing. And in Video 10, we wrap up the series with sound design and mixing. This video series is by no means exhaustive, but it should give you a good overview of the process and help you dive deeper into the art and craft of digital video storytelling.